Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Class 7 Science. Topic: Digestion in grass-eating animals, which is part of the lesson Nutrition in Animals. Learning objectives. In this video, we are going to focus especially on digestion in grass-eating animals. Digestion in amoeba, which is very important. So concentrate well. But first, let's have a quick look at these keywords. Keywords: amoeba, cellulose, digestion, food vacuole, gallbladder, esophagus, pseudopodia, rumen, ruminant, rumination, concept map. You might have seen many people like elders and small children begging for money to buy food. We have so many leaves on the trees and so much grass available here and there. Why don't they eat those to survive? Did you ever get this doubt? While animals are eating grass, why don't we? Yes, our digestive system is different when compared with cows and buffaloes. And also, there are some enzymes seen in them that we don't have. This is the reason. Now it's time to have a deep look into the digestive system of grass-eating animals. Digestion in grass-eating animals. Have you observed cows, buffaloes, and other grass-eating animals chewing continuously even though they're not eating? Why? Let's look into the process. They quickly swallow the grass and store it in a part of the stomach called rumen. Here the food gets partially digested and is called cud. But later, the cud returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chews it. This process is called rumination, and these animals are called ruminants. The grass is rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. In ruminants, like cattle, deer, etc., bacteria present in the rumen help in the digestion of cellulose. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose. Animals like horses, rabbits, etc., have a large sac-like structure called cecum between the esophagus and the small intestine. The cellulose of food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria that are not present in humans. So far, you've learned about animals that possess the digestive system. However, many small organisms do not have a mouth and digestive system. Surprising. How do they digest food then? With this, it is time for us to take a look at another interesting way of food intake. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded, dense nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. Amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia, or false feet for movement and capture of food. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. When it senses food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particle and engulfs it. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Digestive juices are secreted in the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. Gradually, the digested food is absorbed. The absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance, and multiplication. The undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. So the basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in all animals. In unicellular animals like amoeba, euglena, paramecium, etc., all the nutrition steps occur within the unicellular body. Did you know fats in goat's milk are much simpler than those in cow's milk? Therefore, the goat's milk is much easier to digest than the cow's milk. Points to remember. The grazing animals like cows, buffaloes, and deer are known as ruminants. They quickly ingest, swallow the leafy food, and store it in the rumen. Later, the food returns to the mouth and the animal chews it peacefully. Amoeba ingests its food with the help of its false feet or pseudopodia. The food is digested in the food vacuole. Thank you for watching.